When the times are down and you don't know what to feel anymore, clap on and do your own thing because your happiness lies in you. Nothing will give you greater pleasure than to feel good in your body and mind, and fitness does just that. So gear up and get going, cause YOLO. Pursuing the things you're passionate about is a sure shot mantra to being happy. It could be anything from reading to art or whatever that interests you. Just follow your passion. And in the midst of all the hustle bustle, don't forget yourself. Love and pamper yourself first to give love and happiness to others. Always. And most importantly, in this fast-paced world, never forget to dance to your own tune. At least every once in a while.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
And if it's still not working out, spend time with your loved ones. Nothing beats that.